Hi, my name's Tony Law, and today let me share a bit of an inner turmoil that lots of new property investors tend to face when they're just getting started. I remember once a good friend of mine and a successful property investor, Jilly Barlow, once said, "Comparison is the thief of joy." And she is so right about this. I remember when I first started out in this property investing world, I used to really compare what I was doing, what I was achieving, or not as the case may be, with what I perceived were these really successful property investors. And you know what? It used to really bring me down. It used to make me feel really bad about my achievements. Now, many years later, I've got myself into a place where my income is indeed really quite good from property. And so I put this back onto you if you're now starting out. Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't compare what you're doing with all these other people that are around you. The only thing that matters is that you take small little steps each day that move you in the right direction. If you do that consistently, I promise you, you will achieve ultimately the financial freedom through property that you desire. You've just got to keep taking those small little consistent steps. For more tips and tricks like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and also download this 50-point checklist because it's going to really help you the next time you buy an investment property. My name's Tony Law from Your First 4 Houses with online training that helps build your property portfolio.